Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to get unlimited free dice on Monopoly Go. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open up Settings. Once you're there, guys, just go to General and make sure you got the background app refresh. Turned on, this does not matter, but make sure it's on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now go over to battery and make sure we got the low power mode turned off. Once you've done that, you're going to be all set, so all we got to do now is go to App Store and make sure our automatic downloads is turned on. So let me just go ahead and go back. Now I'm just going to make sure that I got the automatic downloads turned on. Let's go to the browser and just go ahead to the website called Dice Rolls Glitch. Net, this is where we're going to get rich. So, here it is. Dice Rolls Glitch. Net, so this is the website. And it actually works. Let me just go ahead and type it in right here. I can't even believe it actually works, but Once you're on the website, guys, you want to go ahead and press the button that says, like, inject. It's just going to put some code in your Monopoly. Go to get you rich. Now it's just going to load. Write your username and platform. So let me just go ahead and make sure you don't do any spelling mistakes. Then we're going to go ahead and press proceed, alright? And then we're just going to wait for this to load. Now choose how much dice rolls we want to add to our account. I usually like to go for the max, but you can go for as many you want. And then we're just going to go ahead and press Android or iOS. As you can see, I'm using an iPhone, so I'm going to go ahead and press inject. Now we're just going to wait for it to load. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.